Hello everyone, I am coming up here on the Seagull game store. This is the Chomegaoka store here in Sendai City, Miyagi Prefecture. There it is there on the left, and I'll see you guys inside. Ooh, okay, let's see what they got. Got a Neo Geo down there, some Famicoms. Here's the junk. Oh no, that's just junk down there. Bunch of consoles here. Here's the junk section. It's a GBA for $1. You gotta take a chance, don't know if it works or not. PSP. Not as much junk as a hard off, but some cool stuff in there. It's great if you can fix it yourself. There's an old Xbox. $10. Here's PS1. Dreamcast. What is this? Oh. Some PC Engine down there. WonderSwan. Hold on. Honey in the Road. I know Honey in the Sky. That's a shooter. I don't know what Honey in the Road is. PC Engine. Anyway, lots of Dreamcast games. Some controllers up there. PSP. What's on this side? It's all PS2. It's GBA there. Regular Game Boy. Oh, and there's the sexy cover of Street Fighter V. Neither of them really look like Ryu or Chun-Li. Okay, here's the retro games. Look at all these Super Famicom games. Tons of boxed ones here. And tons of loose ones. What's cool is they print it on the label there, so you don't have to pull each one out to see what it is. You just have to be able to read Japanese. Okay. N64. And Famicom. At least it's in alphabetical order. Gotta go through all of these. Here is Devil World. Pull this guy out. This is a really cool game. It would never got released in the US, but it's really fun. Okay, what else? It's Game Boy Advance down there. Oh, here's a Retro Freak. This is one of those consoles that does everything. Famicom, Super Famicom, Mega Drive, PC Engine, Game Boy Advance. I don't know if these are actually any good. I want to give it a shot. I'll wait till they come down in price though. Here's the glass case. Got Rockman and Forte there, and ActRaiser 2. Most of these games aren't particularly rare, but they are more popular, so higher in price. Oh, Puyo Puyo for Famicom. I didn't even know they released it. There's Alex Kidd, Miracle World. I grew up on that game. It's hard as hell, though. Or I should say cheap as hell. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, so that is the... Hey, Mario. That's the Seagull Chomegaoka store. It's DS. I'm just going to take a look around a little more and do some shopping. So, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.